Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the beneficent and merciful. Welcome to Beria College PNT, Sir Harisan, subject Mathematics, Matric Federal Board, chapter number 8, Euclidean Postulate regarding Police, topic lecture number 23 and 24. Regarding Apollonius. Objective. In this unit, student will be learn how to prove the following theory and apply them to solve the appropriate problem in a obtuse angle triangle. The square of the side opposite to the obtuse angle is equal to the sum of the square on the side containing the obtuse angle together with the twice the rectangle contained by one of the sides and the projection of its of the other. In the triangle, the square of the side opposite an acute angle is equal to the sum of the square the side containing acute angle diminished by a twice the rectangle contained by one of those sides and the projection on it of the other. In any triangle, the sum of the square of on any two sides is equal to the twice the square of our third side together with the twice the square on the median which is bisect the third side. Apollonius theorem. Chapter number 8, projection of a side of the triangle. Theorem number 1. In a obtuse angle triangle, the square on the side opposite to be the obtuse angle is equal to the sum of the square on the side containing the obtuse angle together with the twice the rectangle contained by one of the sides and the projection on it of the other. ABC is a triangle having an obtuse angle. This is a ABC is a this is A is a obtuse angle. BAC at A draw CD perpendicular BA, this is a projection. BA is a produce so that the AD is a projection. This is a CD is a perpendicular and its shadow is a projection. BA is a produce. MBA, opposite of the A is a small a, B is a opposite is a small b, and C is opposite is a C. AB measurement is a C, AC measurement is a B, and BC measurement is a A. And this is the height of the triangle CD. CD is the height of the triangle. AD is a X. This is proof that BC square. This is the square is equal to AC square plus AB square plus twice of product of AB and AD. A square is equal to B square plus C square plus 2CX. It is proof in right angle triangle CDB, measurement angle CDA 90 degree. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to the perpendicular square plus base square. The sum of the perpendicular square and the base square equal to the hypotenuse square. Put the values in the equations, the Pythagoras theorem, then b square is x square plus h, then get the value. Again use measurement angle CDB, measurement CDB, BC square is equal to BD square plus CD square. A square, put the value of BD is to C plus A, both sides plus, then get the value, plus H square. By the Pythagoras theorem and solve the A plus B whole square, then the get value C square plus 2CX square, X square plus H square. Then get values x square plus h square equal to the b. Put the value x square plus h square is equal to b. Then show that a square is equal to c square plus 2cx a plus b square. A square is equal to b square plus c square plus 2cx using 1 and 2. Putting the values, a is equal to the bc square, b is equal to the ca ac, c equal to the b ab. The product of the projection, product of the perpendicular and base of the triangle multiply each other, then get values. This is proof that the theorem number 1. Second theorem 8.1 part 2. In triangle, square of the side opposite to acute angle is equal to the sum of the square of the side containing that acute angle, diminished by twice the rectangle contained by one of those sides and the projection on it of the other. Triangle ABC with a acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle, all angles are acute. CAB at A. Acute angle is less than 90 degrees called acute angle. We know that A is the opposite is a small a, B is the opposite is small b, and C is the opposite is a small c. Then draw CD perpendicular to the AB. The CD to perpendicular to D point is a cut from AB. AD is a projection. AD is projection of AC. AD is a projection of AC on AB. Then this is a shadow, like a shadow. Also measurement AD is equal to the X and CD is equal to the H. B square is equal to the AC square plus AB square minus 2AB and AD. It is a converse theorem of the one. This is a positive value and this time is a negative value. Outer side projection get the value is a positive 2 plus 2cx and internal minus 2cx. Proof. In a right angle triangle CDA is a 90 degree. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the perpendicular square and base square. Then get the value b square is equal to x square plus h square. In procedure, right angle triangle CDB, then get the value a square BD equal to c minus x whole square. C is the total length of the AB and this value is the C minus X. AD length are minus from AB length, then get the value BD. And then get the solutions after the simplification. C square minus 2cx x square plus h square. X square plus h square equal to the b square in the equation 1. Put the value, then get the value. This is b square, bc square is equal to ac square plus ab square minus a 2ab and ad is the length of the projection and length of the base. This is the theorem number 3, 8.1. That in a triangle the sum of the square on the two sides is equal to the twice of the square half of the third side together with the twice the square on the median which is bisect the third sides. They are bisects, two bisects. In a triangle ABC is a triangle. Median is the AD, median is the AD, bisect the BC. And to prove AB square plus AC square is equal to 2BD square plus 2AD square. BD square and AD square twice are sum equal to the AB square and AC square. Construction AF is a perpendicular to the BC. AF is a perpendicular to the BC. Proof. In triangle ABD, acute angle triangle at D. The proof that in theorem 1, using theorem 1 statement say that the AB square is equal to AD square plus AD square minus 2MBD MFD. Now in a triangle ADC, since triangle ADC is an obtuse angle triangle, ADC is an obtuse angle triangle, then get the value of the projection, give the value this. Theorem 1, equation 1 and 2 are adding, then get the value AB square plus AC square 2BD square plus 2AD square. Class Matrix Fatal Board homework chapter number 8, 8.1, reading and write 3 times each theorem. Thanks a lot.